Thursday. You know, I heard a phrase a while back that really impacted me and still is relevant and impacts me today. If you continue to think the way you thought, you continue to feel the way you felt. If you continue to feel the way you felt, you continue to do the things you've done. If you continue to do the things you've done, you continue to get the things you got. Got it? Change your thinking, change your life. I've been sharing with you guys last couple weeks, life-changing digital marketing platform with interactive training that has changed my life and is impacting so many lives. And I firmly believe in the next 30, 60, 90 days, it's just gonna change a lot of things. And you know, the reality is, the phrase that says, evolve or revolve. Guys, times have changed. Yesterday, I was with my girlfriend. We were eating dinner during her break, and there was a Lamborghini that I recognized in the parking lot. And I told her, you see that guy right there? That guy's made millions of dollars in digital marketing for years, guys, for years. I was offered all kinds of stuff in digital marketing, learning, you name it. And for years, I saw a lot of people that offered this to me make a lot of money and change their lives. I did not do that, and I did not make that. And now things have changed. You know, my invitation for you guys is to get the blueprint. Message me, comment below, Freddie, I want the blueprint. And also I want to invite you, this being Thursday, tomorrow, Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern, we're doing a live free webinar on how you can earn $900 working 2 hours a day from your phone, from your laptop, on autopilot. You guys, doesn't hurt, doesn't cost anything to take a look, whether it's to get the blueprint on my website or watch that webinar. I look forward to connecting with you. Take care, God bless. Peace.